with you something. And this is DIdea from DIdea Academy. We are from different courses such as diploma in facility management, engineering, construction engineering, and mechanical engineering, and we are from construction IT. And each of us are in charge of a different part of this presentation. And next, I will pass to my partner. They will continue the presentation.
Hello everyone, I am Zheng Xiaowen from DIdea team. Now I introduce the SWOT analysis of the site. The strengths of the site are the location is nearby the MRT station, so it is good exposure to human traffic. The Changi Airport is nearby the site, so it's easy for the tourists to the site. The big area is beneficial for exhibition and conference. The weakness of the site due to the MRT track west through the location, it will increase the difficulties in design and construction. The alternative of the site, ability to track the people to visit the site during the exhibition day and non-exhibition day. The strength of the site are the noises from the MRT track and ground control problem, such as due to the high amount of human traffic and vehicle traveling, it will cause the place to be crowded. Now I talk about the site information. The site located at the Changi Industrial Hub, the Brown and East Upper Changi Road on the north, Expo Drive on the east, Changi South Avenue 1 on the south, and Stadium area on the west. The total site area is about 215,000 square meters. The southern part of the site consists of mainly industrial buildings. The southwest part of the site is faced ITE East College. The northern part of the site is mainly residential area and south greenery. MRT track and Expo MRT station is located along southern boundary Changi Southern Avenue 1. So now I pass to my partner to continue.
Okay, let's move on to the architecture part. At this stage, we just want to confirm one thing, is our design model and the massing model. First of all, we propose to have a buildable design, which we decide to focus on 2 points. The first one is the practical, and second one is the buildability. And actually, we did so many massing models, and we keep changing, and we keep doing the improvement or even redo everything. And all the things we have done is to make sure the nice outlooking and to meet the standard given by the organizer. And as we can see, there are 2 design concepts over here, and we didn't select both of them because first of all, both of them didn't meet our own group design concept, and it also didn't meet the committee requirements. And we didn't select the first one because it will take a long time for people to go through the whole expo, and also it didn't take a good use of the set area. And for the second one, actually it didn't have a very specific parking area. It will confuse the people. And finally, we select this design. And we select this design because it is a good planning of human traffic circulation, and it takes a good use of the set area. It has a very specific parking area, and it meets our requirements and the organizers. And this is also our massing model, and later we will show you the final model, which one we use Revit 2012 to finish that. And this is how we assign the space in our building. And such as the square shape over there, we design it as an exhibition hall. It has 2 stories, and the other 2 parts, the top one is our such as function hall and office. The below one, we design it as a commercial area, such as shopping mall and full junction. And this is a detailed floor plan. We put the reception area on the corner, and it also has taxi stand. And actually, this picture will not show us the final model, but one thing I need to add is we also have the green features. We have the green roof, and we have the skyrise garden, such as the outstanding area. It will directly help us to detect the electrical load. And we also add one thing is the curtain wall. It will take advantage of daylighting. It also helps us to save the energies. And my partner will continue the presentation.
Yes. For our structure for this model, we mainly use reinforced concrete and steel structure. But for a very long span lighting beam, we use the pre-stretch. And we use for the foundation we use two types of pine cap. One is the pine cap one, which has only one pine and is used to support for the part of the building which has like so. And another one is the pine cap 3, which has 3 pine, and it is used to support for the part of the building which have a very heavy load. For this roof, we use the steel trusses because it has a cap shape, so trusses can suitable for this cap shape. And then for this glass structure, which looks like a yak, we use the steel structure family for this. And then for the floor and the convention hall area, is used to support for the loading up to 30 kN per meter square, including line load and deck load. And then the floor for the shopping mall and flora and the office, is used to support for the loading up to 50 kN per meter square for the line load and deck load. Yes. And then I have to show the video how my structure is arranged. Later we show the video and we will connect the presentation about MEP plan.
And next one, I will introduce the MEP design. For MEP, we draw the plumbing, lighting, and air conditioning systems, and we will use the lighting and plumbing as the example. For the lighting, we put one type of lighting fixture in only 1 LX, and the hall is so large that need 500 LX. Hence, we put 500 lighting fixture in the hall. And for plumbing, each floor we design 6 to 8 toilets because the hall is very big. So more toilet is more convenient for people to use. And for our design, we got the toilet for gentlemen, for lady, for handicaps, and for the children. And every washroom has the same certain standard. It is buildability and easy to build. And for this one, that is we use a software which called Ecotech. And we use this to do the sound test and lighting analysis. And we have a short video about the storm has analyzed. And next, we use the lighting as the example. Depends on Singapore data and the location of the building. We can see that different heating influence different lighting. And each time, the heating from the sun given to the different corner of the building is directly different. And we use lots of sheet of roofs to do the analysis. After we compare each roof and do the sun pass analysis, each roof is the best choice. Above all, our design is very suitable for various environments. And next, I will pass to my partner.
Now I talk about the ground floor area. The ground floor area of our site is about 142,000 square meters. And comply to the competition requirement. The commercial area is about 86,000 square meters and shopping area is about 56,000 square meters. Based on the design plan and construction plan, we come up with the cost plan is about 220 million Singapore dollars. Now I introduce the cost estimation. The building works cost about 138 million Singapore dollars. The MEP work costs about $35 million. And external work costs about $20 million. And purely work costs about $14 million. And preliminary costs about $4 million. And the other cost is about $3 million. Now I pass to Mengxue to continue.
Okay, that's all the presentation. May I have all my team members here, please? We would like to thank all the judges and audience here and all the friends here. And thanks for the participants. Thanks for listening.
Thank you for the presentation. I have one simple question. You presented that you have explored various options. So the question is, how much time do you spend on this aspect before you move on to your final step? You spend a lot of time exploring the options. It's about time management. Do you schedule say the amount of time to do your exploration?
Yes, we prepare the schedule and who do which part and when we should finish it. And we schedule this way. And we provide the organization project to work together.
As we all know, we attend this competition about 48 hours, and every team member joined to this competition, and we use different knowledge to do this PPT. Okay, that's all.
I think the model is quite comprehensive, especially the structural model. So how much time do you actually spend on the structural model? Was it after the Archie model is completed, then you started, or how do you actually complete it? The MEP sort of detailed a little bit. So is it related to the model? So
Yes, actually we do the messy model so many times for our architecture, and the first day we confirm one model, and later we continue change, and it's a little difficult for the structures to follow us. So they maybe start to do the work at the first day night. During the whole night they doing to follow us.
Any further questions? Maybe just one quick one. You mentioned that you did some human traffic. Did you use any, you did some analysis for that. Did you use any software to analyze human traffic for your design?
On the first day, we're going to expo to observe the human traffic.
Thank you.